What is up, YouTube? What it do? Man, I'm due for a lining. Yep, Jeezy the barber due for a lining. Lining jacked up, messed up, but that ain't why we here. As you see, we sitting in the car, editing and finishing these videos. I want y'all to check this video out, man. It's a nice video, man. Challenge on 26 Road. This is the first day I rode it on the street. You know, we got a couple other things done since then, and we're gonna continue to making modifications. And y'all check out my video, man. Leave a comment, let me know what y'all think. All right. But
Thing look good, sound good.
Real, I do this shit for real, I do this shit for real. I do this shit for real, I do this shit for real. Yeah, I'm stacking dollar bills and I'm trying to see a meal. Holla, in the middle of the drought, still making it rain. Running cocaine, man, these niggas insane. Got they starting, bitch, I'm going extra hard. Got a pull up bar looking like a movie star. Lights, camera, action, we racing up every
everything is more to come. I'm gonna show you the full bill. I got another video I'll be dropping for y'all real soon. Let me know if you want to see it. Like and subscribe to this one, and it's gonna be a lot more to come for y'all, man. Be smooth, all right? Yeah.
What? Straight up. Little switch up on it.